I think I am glowing. So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Upgrading Prakriti. Today's topic is basic minimum hair, face, body care routine. Yeah. मैं मिनिमम चीज़ बताऊंगी जो आपको ज़रूरी है करना. So first, hair. I'm enjoying my green tea and talk with you. So let's start. First of all, hair. Hair এ হচ্ছে twice a week shampoo, once a week oiling. That's it for everyone. Now, especially for girls, tie your hair always. But yeah, for styling purpose at outside, you can open your hair. It's okay. When you are at your home, so please tie your hair. Second tip, that is, don't lay down on your bed with wet hair. Raining is start. Okay, so come back to the video because it cause your hair damage. And also don't brush your hair when you have wet hair, because when you have wet hair your root hair is so weak, and at this point if you brush your hair, your hair root is now. This is way more enough for your hair care routine. One thing I wanted to share, that don't buy too much comb. You can use 2 or 3 comb. You repeatedly wash your comb once a week, that's enough. Now came to the next part of this video, that is face care routine. Every day wash your face with a suitable face wash, and after that use a toner, or you can use aloe vera gel. That helps you to close your open pore after face wash. You can use moisturizer after that, obviously according to your skin type. And for your lip, you can use lip balm. That's the basic minimum skincare routine for your face. But when you are at home, when you go outside, one point that to be noted, that when you are go outside, make sure, especially in daylight, make sure that you have to apply sunscreen. Like if you are going outside between 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., make sure that you have to apply sunscreen. It protects you from UV light. That's it. And when you get back to your home after hustling outside, please wash your face with your face wash. Besides this, you can scrub your face or detan your face once a week. That is also very good for your skin. It removes your all dirty cells, dead cells from your face. You also can use some home remedies like dahi, besan, nimbu, haldi, kaik paste. Okay. And one thing I missed, that is your mouth. For your mouth, everyday brush your teeth. That's it. So okay, come to the next part of this video, that is body care routine. बेसिकली कुछ खास तो नहीं है, बट फिर भी मैं बताना चाहूँगी. सो फॉर योर बॉडी, ट्वाइस और थ्राइस अ वीक यू कैन use soap or body washes, or if you want to use body oil, you can use twice or thrice a week, 1 day gap later. Okay, so that is it, and that's enough for your hair, face and body care routine. I am not saying that hi-fi products or something like that. This is the basic minimum skincare routine. If you want to follow this, you can definitely go for it, and it helps you a lot. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Love you all.